So this video we're still in Module 1, but what I'm doing this video is giving you a bit more detail on the discussion boards. So they're located on Brightspace, so you select the Assessments tab and then select Discussion from the drop-down list. So the responses are due Sunday, but you really need to post it by Thursday, Friday at the latest in order to give all the other students sufficient time to respond. So you might ask, why discussion boards? Why are they important? Well, it's an opportunity to interact with other students and actually learn from each other. And it's a way to illustrate your critical thinking skills and to demonstrate your understanding of the topic. So with the discussion boards, there's 9, and I've mentioned this before. About the 4% of the 6 is for the quality of your response. 1% is your response to 2 other students' postings, and 1% for grammar, spelling, sentence structure, etc. So when we use the term discussion board, some people take this to mean your response can be casual, but it's not. It's not like, you know, a conversational style of writing. We do expect you to write in formal business writing style. So don't be too casual or conversational. And make sure you prepare your response in Word before you post it, so that way you can check your grammar and spelling, etc. So, how should you prepare for a discussion board? Well, first of all, you need to read or view the material in the module. Read the discussion question carefully. And don't just copy information in from the module materials, but think critically and engage with the material. Also, read the other students' responses to make sure you're not duplicating something that they're saying. And the idea with the discussion board is that you want to make a strong or unique opinion or argument or perspective you want to add to the discussion. And ensure your response is relevant, and if you're quoting a source, an article or video, whatever, just make sure that you put the reference to wherever you got your information in your posting. So, how to respond. So when you respond to another person's post, it's got to be more than, I like what you said, or I agree with what you said. So in this PowerPoint, I'm just reviewing some of the ways that you can respond. So you can validate the post by sharing your experience and stating how it relates to the course material. You can agree or disagree and explain why. You can expand on your classmates' post to demonstrate you understand the topic. You can critically evaluate the post and make a suggestion. You can share an insight or something you learned from reading your peers' post. You can explain how someone's post helped you understand the material or made you rethink your own views. You can offer an opinion and support it with examples. And you can challenge a statement made in a post, not in a rude way, but in a respectful way. If you disagree with something, just say you do and why, and give your opinion on it. So these are just some of the techniques you can use to prepare a response to other students' postings. So the discussion board instructions are basically the same for each of the discussion boards. So these are the instructions that you'll see. Please participate in your discussion board by adding your response to the question below. Review the lecture notes and readings. If other students have responded before you, read their responses and build from there to avoid duplication. Your references should be formatted in APA style. And your discussion board participation requires you to post to at least 2 other students' postings. So it's a minimum of 200 words and a max of 250. That's for your initial posting to the discussion boards. And references are excluded from the word count. Okay. Okay, so that ends the overview of Module 1.